Trading, the concept of buying and selling financial assets to generate profits. It's a world where individuals can potentially earn life-changing wealth, create financial freedom, and live the lifestyle they've always dreamed of. But as appealing as it sounds, trading is not without its challenges, and that's what we're going to tackle today. So, you want to start trading, but you're not sure where to begin. You've heard the success stories, but you're also aware of the risks involved. You're not alone. Many new traders face a steep learning curve, and it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. Lack of knowledge is a major obstacle, and it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of trading before you start. Emotional decision-making is another common pitfall. Fear, greed, and anxiety can cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that can cost you dearly. Fear and greed are like two sides of the same coin. When you're on a winning streak, you feel invincible, and you start to take on more risk than you can handle. And when you're in a slump, fear creeps in, and you start to doubt your abilities. The key is to find a balance, to stay objective, and to make informed decisions based on facts, not emotions. Without a solid understanding of the markets and a well-thought-out strategy, you're setting yourself up for failure. Another challenge many new traders face is the lack of discipline and patience. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and perseverance to develop the skills and intuition needed to succeed. You need to be willing to learn from your mistakes, to adapt to changing market conditions, and to stay focused on your long-term goals. So, how can you overcome these challenges and start trading like a pro? The first step is to educate yourself. Learn about different types of trading, such as day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Understand the concepts of risk management, technical analysis, and fundamental analysis. Develop a trading plan that outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and the strategies you'll use to achieve success. One essential strategy is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk across different asset classes, such as stocks, forex, and commodities. This will help you minimize losses and maximize gains. Another crucial tip is to keep a trading journal. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and actions before and after each trade. This will help you identify patterns, track your progress, and refine your strategy. Another powerful tool in your arsenal is technical analysis. By studying charts and patterns, you can identify trends, predict price movements, and make more informed trading decisions. But remember, no single strategy is foolproof. You need to stay flexible, adapt to changing market conditions, and continually refine your approach. Here's a crucial trading insight that can significantly improve your performance: the importance of identifying and managing risk. Risk management is not just about limiting your losses, it's about maximizing your gains as well. By setting clear goals, analyzing market conditions, and adjusting your strategy accordingly, you can minimize your exposure to risk and optimize your returns. So, what have we learned today? We've discussed the challenges new traders face, the essential strategies and tips that can help you overcome them, and the importance of continuous learning and improvement. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and perseverance to develop the skills and intuition needed to succeed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your trading experiences in the comments below. If you're new to trading and want to learn more, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of trading and share more insider tips and insights.